everybody, welcome back. So today I'm going to be making these 3 beautiful DIYs here. If you guys are interested in seeing how I created these, just keep on watching. This cleaned out Yankee Candle jar. Okay, I'm going to go in with this glitter here. It's just a regular size glitter. Guys, I'm going to go in with this large glitter here, and I get this from Walmart. Okay, so this is pretty dry, so I'm going to go ahead and add a second coat of my Mod Podge. Okay guys, so this is not quite dry yet, but what I'm going to do is go ahead and add my sealer coat on top. I'm going to now start to apply some of these silver picks that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. And what I'm going to do is just snap the forked end off. Guys, I'm going to be taking these stickers that I picked up from the Dollar Tree and just placing them onto my vase. Now I'm just going to go in with these Jot mirrored mosaic stickers that I picked up from Dollar Tree. So just to give this a little bit more interest, I'm going to add some of these flower rhinestones to the tips of my picks here. Okay, so I'm going to use my Dollar Tree vase here. I'm also going to be using these picks again that I picked up from Dollar Tree. I am also going to be using this candlestick holder from Dollar Tree as well. I am going to be putting a couple jewels on here. Okay guys, I'm going to be taking these Jot magnifying sheets from the Dollar Tree. Okay, I'm going to be using these plates that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to be taking these acrylic gems from the Dollar Tree. Alright, we're going to go back in with our silver picks, and this time I'm going to be using the handle end. Okay guys, so I feel like I am just about done with this. I do want to add a few crystals on the inside. Sorry if I'm blinding you, but I do want to add a few crystals on the inside because I just want it to look really finished when I have it on my counter. Alright guys, so I hope that you guys have enjoyed this little video. I really did enjoy making it, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel as well as hitting that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.